Remove the two screws on the bottom using either the 2mm Allen key or T8 Torx screwdriver depending on the screw type. Remove the bottom support. Remove the load cell cable, charging cable, and battery cable from the PCB. To disconnect the battery cable, press and hold the clip while pulling it out. Remove the 4 screws using either a 6mm Torx or a 1.5mm hex screwdriver or Allen key. Open the display cable connector lead. Lift the PCB and gently pull it out while carefully disconnecting the display cable. Remove the remaining screws on the PCB using tweezers. Take the new PCB and place the 4 screws in their positions. Open the display cable connector lead, gently insert the display cable and close the lead. Place the PCB back in position. Tighten the 4 screws using the appropriate screwdriver or Allen key. Don't tighten it too much, finger tight is enough. Plug the cables back in their positions. Place the scale's bottom support back in position. Secure it with the 2 screws.